namlagay. Oh, eh, oh, I don't know how far this goes, and oh,
breakdown of making the short video. First, start a project and name your project. You can also choose the resolution, for example 2K or 4K. You can choose the frame rate of your video. Then you come into the interface. Very clear and easy to work with. Press the plus to add videos or pictures. The program will let you open Finder, and there you can choose the videos you want to use for your project. Just click on the photos and videos you want to use and it will appear in the media library. You can drag and drop the photos and videos into your timeline. You can crop your footage just like in any other video editor. In the beginning, I had to get used to cutting the footage, but luckily there are options to cut and make it easier. For example, shortcuts. Press Command B to cut, Command C to copy, and Command V to paste. Most important one for me is Command Z to go back. Using these will help me edit a lot easier and a lot faster and I feel a lot more secure. I also edit the title. This is also super easy to do. You go into the titles tab and choose which title you want. You can even choose your own style of letter type and also the colors. Same here, drag and drop it in the place where you want it. Go to edit title and put whatever your title is there. Then of course I added some music, a very important part, if not the most important part in any video. Sometimes I cut the footage on the music, sometimes I choose the right mood that complements the footage. Choosing the right audio is very important. You can also make more videos overlay, you have more effects, more audio tracks by clicking the plus symbol in the left corner. I continued with editing the footage. This is the same as, for example, in Final Cut Pro. Then at the end of the film I put a transition, fade to black. An easy but good looking transition in my opinion. Also here quite some choices. To export the video, it takes a little bit of time, but the result is very good. The quality is very high and it's a standard MPV file, and this you can upload straight to the social media of your choice. Another amazing feature is that you can record voiceover directly inside this software. I hope you got a bit more information about what VideoProc Vlogger does and how it works. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section and I'll see you in the next one.